another of our river crossing adventure. Andito si Bong aka Zombie. Okay, trailblazing, hinahanap niya yung mababang part para makadaan. Ayun, mukhang nakita na niya. Alright, so that will be our path. Okay, Kapise takes it this time. Alright, still contemplating. Mukhang maganda pa yung dinaanan niya. Whoops, easy. So as he negotiates, our friends stare at awe. There you go, wondering what's gonna happen next. Right. Yan, okay. He got stuck there, kailangan pa niyang buhatin yung motor. So medyo ano yun,